It's raining on us. I got me an umbrella. What's up, my man? How you doing? All right.
So it's supposed to like rain like this all night, you know?
Because this afternoon also is a little bit sunny day. Then again it starts around 7 o'clock something. It's very windy and rainy. Maybe it will stop tonight.
It may stop tonight or no?
Hopefully.
Oh.
Because actually now it's not raining season. Raining season is June, July.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it was rainy season.
Yeah, June, July. But this time it's sometime coming few minutes.
Okay.
And this drink he made for us. Banana what?
Mango.
Mango.
And some other fruit.
He made for us for our last day here on the house.
Our review of the Coco Voodoo Hiti Resort. From the time we arrived by speedboat, the staff was patiently waiting for the boat to dock, as they happily greeted us upon arrival. We were amazed at the hospitality and service we received. They took care of us like we were the only guests on the island. The food was amazing, and also the chefs. If there was something we wanted but did not see, they were willing to accommodate our request graciously. The resort is well kept and clean. The spa was my favorite. During our stay, we could visit the spa daily to relax in the jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, or just lay back on the deck and enjoy the sound of the waves. We received a couple's massage, the Coco signature treatment, and it was fabulous. We highly recommend this resort, and yes, we would visit again. We wanted to experience both villa types, so we arranged a split stay. An island villa with a private pool and beach access, and a water villa with a private pool. This review was not sponsored, just our personal review and experience. All expenses was paid by us, the Alexanders.
There she go.
Here I am,
Still back in business.
back in business.
Yeah, baby. Check her out. She got her some rosé.
Right here, right here, right here. Yes, yes, yes.
Cheers. All right. Taking off. help her eat that. She living it up over here. Just hooked up my bed. My wife ain't got her bed made yet, but mine is ready. We finally made her bed. I'm watching that movie. Cereal in the morning. She's still asleep. There she go. My wife was in the flagship lounge, American Airlines, and they put it on the game for us. Unfortunately, I got to get ready to go, but good luck to the Bears. That's a Dallas fan right there.
From Ireland.
All right.
Go Bears.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, my man.
No problem, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
You too. We out of here. That lady right there. You see us?
Now 841, H9 right there.
Where?
Just moved.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's over there. H9, 3 down.
Yeah, I see it. She over there? Nope. Is that my girl over there? All right, you take care.
Take care.
I appreciate you.
Have a good evening.
You too.